Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna play Pixel Gun 3D with another weapon that's new. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Wait, let me just check the lottery. No, it's okay. No keys. Alright, let's play Slendo Forest. By the way, this weapon, guys, is the future police rifle. It's futuristic. Like, look at this. Look at that, man. I know it looks weird from this angle, but look at that, man. Look at that, man. That looks so cool. My God. Got him, boys. Honey, boss. What? Got him, boys. Whoa. What do you do? Come on, bad internet. It's okay, guys. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to the show. Don't worry. Hello, I'm just recording a video. After this match, I'm just... Ouch! Okay. Where's Panda? Oh, there. Okay. Sorry, guys. That was just a little bit of introduction to my mom. Her name is Donna... Nimpa Donna Cantada. Her name is that. Boom. Gotta kill babies. Ow. Oh, wait. No way, bro. Let's go. Guys, this is the thing I defeat. Get defeated. Yes, okay. Oh, come on, man. I got defeated with an OP. 20 XP. Let's go, boys. Go points. And then there's this shield. Alright, let's go. Let's find a match that we can play on. Yo, what is this? Okay. That was just an ad, guys. We'll play another match. Even if I lose, it's okay. Right, guys? Yeah. You know, a plane crashed in the ocean one time. Oh, shoot. Well, they got me to help. Now, where are ya? Boom! I'm gonna raise my eyebrow to just see if anyone's here. Got him. Oh! Yeah, that's also me. That's also mine. Manok na puti. Manok na puputi. Alright, let's go. Don't worry, guys. All part of the show. Let's go! Whoa! Oh, they got 10. They got 6, huh? Got 3 damage there. And I'm dead. What happens when I... Oh. Ow. That's X-ray. I can break you. Wow. we both died. Got the brutal head on her. It's pretty worrisome. Got a rank. Something in my mouth. This is the best sniper I've ever seen, but it has low ammo. Like it's supposed to. Sorry, I'm right. Really good. Good. I think I'm going around in circles. Not today. Not now. Not today, not now. Okay, this time I'm gonna go. Thank you. And we'll win, bros. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Let's go, boys. Woo-hoo. One more game and then we're done. Okay, guys, let's go. Alright, let's go. Already got 7 points. Oh, I swear he's here somewhere. Maybe he burned. I saw him. So did you. I'm just gonna snipe at this angle. Have a jetpack. Jetpack. I have a jetpack. Oh, nice. Let's go, boys. The cheese stacks. Here the cheese stacks. When the cheese comes out, stay still. 7 minus 14 equals 7. Wait, what the? They found out that I'm here? What the? He knows that I'm here. Ow! Who did that? Oh, it's him. Okay. We're gonna win more, guys.